Transform your college experience. Learn how students are making money online. No investment needed. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert, where today's insights go beyond just affiliate marketing. Stay tuned till the end, as we're diving into strategies and skills that will not only boost your earnings, but also equip you with essential life skills, making every minute of this video a valuable addition to your success toolkit. Affiliate marketing is a smart way for students to make some cash. It's about promoting products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It fits perfectly into a student's life because it doesn't require a fixed schedule like a part-time job. Now, the cool thing is, you don't need to invest money up front. Plenty of affiliate programs don't require you to buy their products first. Just sign up, get your link, and start sharing. It's about finding products that you genuinely like, which makes promoting them more natural and authentic. When choosing what to promote, think about what interests you or what aligns with your course of study. This alignment makes your promotions more genuine and relatable, increasing your chances of making a sale. The internet offers a vast playground for sharing your affiliate links. Use platforms like social media, blogs, or YouTube. The key is to integrate your affiliate link into engaging, relevant content that doesn't come off as a hard sell. It's crucial to remember that successful affiliate marketing is based on trust and value. Instead of just posting links, focus on creating content that genuinely helps or informs your audience. This could be product reviews, how-to guides, or informative articles. Creating content is where the magic happens. A well-written blog post or an engaging YouTube video can attract viewers who are interested in the products you're promoting. The content should be interesting and relevant to the product, making it more likely for viewers to click on your affiliate link. SEO, or search engine optimization, is vital in getting your content noticed. Use keywords that people search for and create content around those topics. This increases your visibility on search engines, leading to more traffic and potential sales. Email marketing is another effective tool. Start building an email list from day one. You can use these emails to share your affiliate links, but it's important to balance promotional content with informative or entertaining content to keep your audience engaged. Social media platforms offer a massive audience for your affiliate marketing efforts. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn are excellent for sharing content and links. Tailor your approach to each platform to maximize engagement. Video marketing on YouTube is highly effective. You can create product reviews, tutorials, or vlogs related to your affiliate products. Remember to include your affiliate link in the video description. Videos allow you to connect with your audience on a more personal level. Affiliate marketing isn't a quick fix to financial woes. It requires patience and consistency. It's a learning process where you'll make mistakes and face rejections. But these are valuable lessons that will improve your strategies. Educate yourself on affiliate marketing. There are countless free resources available online, like blogs, ebooks, and webinars. The more you know, the better you'll be at choosing products, creating content, and driving sales. Choosing the right product is critical. Pick something you believe in or would use yourself. This makes your promotions more credible and your content more persuasive. Once you've picked a product, it's time to get your affiliate link and think creatively about how to share it. Be organic in your promotions. People can tell when you're being genuine versus just trying to make a sale. Intrigued by our approach? Join our thought journey. Hit subscribe, validate with a like, and ring the bell to keep the ideas flowing. Ready for more thought-provoking content? Let's delve back in. Content creation skills are crucial. Whether it's writing engaging blog posts, creating compelling videos, or crafting eye-catching social media posts, the quality of your content directly affects your success in affiliate marketing. You'll also need some digital marketing skills. Learning and applying SEO, email marketing, and social media marketing techniques will help you reach a wider audience and drive more sales. Time management is key for students juggling studies and affiliate marketing. Create a schedule that allows you to focus on your studies while dedicating specific times to your affiliate marketing efforts. Affiliate marketing isn't just about earning money. It's an opportunity to learn real-world skills like marketing, communication, and sales. These skills are invaluable and can be beneficial in your future career. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its inclusivity. There are no age restrictions or specific qualifications needed. It's open to anyone willing to learn and put in the effort. Whether you're looking to save for college or just want some extra spending money, affiliate marketing offers a path to financial independence without requiring any investment. Here's a tip: leverage your unique perspective as a student. You understand what other students need and want. Use this insight to choose products that will genuinely appeal to your peers. This approach not only increases your credibility, but also makes your marketing efforts more relatable and effective. Engaging with communities is key. Whether it's student forums, social media groups, or campus clubs, being active in these communities can provide valuable insights into the needs and interests of your target market. This can help you tailor your content and promotions more effectively. Don't underestimate the power of storytelling in your marketing. Sharing your personal experiences with the product, how it's helped you as a student, or how it fits into your lifestyle can make your promotions more engaging and relatable. Finally, track your progress. Use the analytics tools provided by affiliate programs to monitor your clicks, sales, and commissions. This data is crucial for understanding what strategies are working and what areas need improvement. By engaging with your audience, responding to their comments, and being active in relevant online communities, you build a relationship with potential buyers. This connection increases the likelihood of them using your affiliate links. Stay adaptable and willing to change your strategies. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and being flexible with your approach can keep you ahead in the affiliate marketing game. And most importantly, have fun with it. Affiliate marketing offers a creative outlet and the chance to explore different marketing techniques. Enjoy the process, and you'll find it much more rewarding. So there you have it. Dive into the world of affiliate marketing, give it your best shot, and watch as it transforms your student life. With hard work and smart strategies, it can be an exciting and profitable journey. Begin your journey to digital excellence now. Seize your free ebook brimming with the most cutting-edge strategies for online business success available today. The journey, however, is just beginning. What comes next is a 15-day challenge designed to push and refine your e-commerce skills, all under the guidance of expert digital entrepreneurs. Equipped with practical tactics and an arsenal of tools, you're on the path to becoming an online powerhouse. Are you ready to elevate your game? Dive in with confidence. Click the link in the description with purpose and take the first step towards carving out your digital empire. Shutting the ledger on today's e-earning finance session? Balance the method, profits and losses? Tally your thoughts in the comments. Did today's financial figures add up to your expectations? Click like to appreciate the sum. Keen on more accounting for digital wealth? Subscribe and ring the bell, ensuring you're always in the black for our future sessions. Before you close the books, notice that video in the calculator? It's a formula for another profitable venture. Click, and let's keep crunching numbers for online success. Until our next fiscal encounter.